Yo, pause everything. What you're looking at right now is the Hummer EV SUV Black Gold Edition, and this thing is on a whole different level. Blacked out, dripping in gold accents, and powered by pure electric muscle, this isn't just another luxury SUV, it's a statement. The King just pulled up, and the craziest part, it's completely silent. Take one look at the front end, and you'll know this build means business. Bold gold Hummer lettering dominates the grille, while octagonal gold trim surrounds the entire fascia. Razor-sharp LED headlights slice through the darkness, giving this SUV an intimidating presence day or night. It looks massive standing still, and thanks to its all-electric powertrain, it launches with instant torque and zero warning. Now check out the side profile. Bold, boxy, and unapologetically muscular, every angle screams confidence. Massive black multi-spoke wheels with elegant gold pinstripe detailing fill the wheel arches perfectly, while gold accents flow across the body like signature jewelry. This is luxury without compromise, blending rugged capability with premium craftsmanship in a way only the Hummer E5 can. Walk around to the rear and the details keep turning heads. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, framed by gold accents that perfectly match the rest of the build. The signature Hummer badging stands proudly at the center, while the aggressive rear bumper and sculpted design complete a look that's bold from every angle. Park this outside a luxury mansion, and it feels like it was built specifically for that driveway. Step inside and the cabin is pure first-class luxury. Premium black leather wraps every surface, highlighted by elegant gold stitching and premium metallic trim throughout the dashboard, center console, and doors. A massive landscape infotainment display, fully digital driver screen, panoramic glass roof, and advanced technology create an interior that's both futuristic and incredibly refined. Every detail feels handcrafted. The rear cabin is just as impressive. Diamond-quilted executive seating, a rear touchscreen control panel, generous legroom, and a panoramic glass roof transform every journey into a VIP experience. Whether you're driving through the city or heading off-road, every passenger enjoys luxury worthy of a flagship SUV. The Hummer EV SUV Black Gold Edition perfectly blends extreme electric performance, premium luxury, and bold American styling into one unforgettable package. It's powerful, futuristic, and impossible to ignore. If this concept ever became reality, it would easily be one of the most exclusive electric luxury SUVs in the world. This is Royal Auto City, bringing you the hottest concept cars, luxury SUVs, electric vehicles, supercars, and custom automotive builds from around the globe. If this Hummer EV SUV Black Gold Edition blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments if you drive this incredible electric beast. We'll catch you in the next one.